Hello friend, welcome to this video. Here we would learn how to configure this quota, which basically limits the size of a particular storage device for a user. Okay, so we would be configuring it for all our users on a central storage location. So basically, checking my tools here, I have the file server resource manager already installed. You can check the file training video to see how it's installed. Okay, basically, you click on that particular console, and right here we want to configure quota. So we go over to quota. We have quotas, and then here we have quota templates. If the template doesn't suit your descriptions, you can basically create a new one, which is what I'm going to do. So to create a new one, I'll go over and then here right click on my quota here and go for create quota. And right here, I have the dialog box popping up. Okay, sorry about the movement. Here we have the quota part. I talked about central storage, which has been powered by DFS technology. You can check the DFS video for that configuration. So basically, on my C drive here, I have a central folder being shared by DFS. Okay, so I'll select that particular namespace folder, which is this. And then I go for OK. It could be any shared folder at all. Just ensure you select a central storage because it's on a particular storage device which we are configuring this quota on. And then here we have derived properties from the quota template, which is 100 megabyte limit. I can use that, meaning every user would have 100 megabyte limit to that particular directory. Okay, not really what I want. So I want for every user, we should have they should have about maybe 1 gig or something. Yeah, 1 gig because all they store as documents probably work with a kind of company where all that is being stored on the storage device is office files, email files, etc. All those kind of petty files like 1 kilobyte, 2 kilobytes. So they don't need too much storage. So I'm gonna make it 1024. That is 1 gig. Yeah, for every user. And describing my quota. Nope, I won't. And here, yes, I'm creating a hard quota, which implements it will not allow the user to exceed this limit of 1 gig. And then here I have soft quota, which allows the users to exceed the limit used for monitoring. Basically, when they exceed the limit, okay, they'll be given some more megabytes to work with, which I don't want. So I'll go for add quota so that they would complain to me or they would tell me that they've used it. And then I can analyze what data that particular user has been storing so that just to enhance my storage management basically. And here I have notification threshold. I can go for add here. What this basically does is says generate notification when the user gets to 80, when the user using 85% of the storage, you should send me a mail. Okay, I'm going to do this in my next tutorial how to basically configure mail on your network so that you can get notified whenever a user reaches the limit. So basically it's not configured yet here. So to monitor that you have to always come to this interface. And here we have event log, which yeah, we can basically send one into event log so that we can monitor through event log. Okay, and then we have the command here where we can run a script whenever that threshold is reached. Maybe run a script to expand the storage capacity for the particular user or for the quota we created. Okay, and then here it says here we have so why check it. Okay, so report basically generates a report and we select the kind of report we want to be generated. Okay, so right here, Disk quota usage can be selected. And then here it says the maximum number of files to include in the report. Oh, okay, thousands, okay. And then it sends the report to the email or sends it to a particular one directory storage. Okay, I think that is the best for now. Quota, quota usage. Yeah, okay. And then email, if you've configured as MTP, event log, it's also cool. So those two, I would say, are the best to indicate or to notify you. Okay, when it's reaches 85%, you can always change that. So I'll go for OK, yes. Good. So whenever the user uses 85% of this particular limit, I should be notified using event log or with a report. And then I go for OK. And this is the summary of my quota. Then I go for create. Okay, saving the template. Yes, it's advisable. Oops. Yeah. So I'd say user 1 GB templates. 1 GB, 1 GB limit. Okay, and then that has been created. 1 GB template. And how do I test that? I'll go to my central storage where the path is. Yeah, basically, and then try storing a file bigger than 1 gig right here. So where can I get a kind of file? Okay, I will not do so much. All I'm going to do is go for a file right on my pictures. A file of about 2 gig. Oh my god, look at the file size and image. You might be wondering what is inside. Yeah, it's just the file. Okay, so I'm going to copy this file and access my central storage where the Disk Quota was created. Of course, it's supposed to just paste in there. Okay, so I'm going to right click, paste that. Oh, it says what? There is not enough space in company files. Whereas company files has a lot of space, but every user has been denied more than not more than 1 gig to use, or has been given not more than 1 gig to use, which is perfect because on my central storage, only files like nothing less than 50 KB, or let's just say 1 MB. Okay, it's supposed to be stored there, or let's just say 5 MB or 20 MB, fine, a document of 20 MB. Okay, so that is that. So he can store it, which is perfect. So currently, let's go to another user who is Vincent as usual. Let's just go to his computer and try saving more than 1 gig and see. Okay, we are here and we are logging in. Oh yeah, we logged in. When we go to Vincent has a see picture, a song file, a song file of 1.9 gig. Mm-hmm. Possible, impossible actually. What is a file like that? Let's just guess. Now going to the central storage, Vincent tries to paste a file more than 1 gig and it got a boom. It's no enough space. Uh, yeah, so we have to block them just to protect our storage. Very important and wonderful implementation. Of course, you can turn yours to 5 gig, 20 gig, but I want just 1 gig for every user because of the nature of the job. So, yeah, this is perfect as that. Okay, guys, so basically, that is how the Disk Quota is configured and is implemented on the network. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment any information you want me to know, any assist, any question you have in your mind, or anything you need, just comment based on the tutorial. You'll be assisted. Alright, thank you for watching. and see you in another video. Bye. Subscribe, don't forget, please. Bye.